Welcome to my channel, Sunny Singapore. Guys, today we are going to be making my favorite sandwiches. We're going to be doing these tuna sandwiches which have been so popular with my friends and family. So here I'm using a can of tuna. I'm going to be putting them in this glass dish. You can actually substitute the chicken for tuna or anything else that you like. I'm going to add oregano or oregano as you like to pronounce it. Just about a teaspoon to this mixture, and some cheddar cheese which I've already diced in my food factory, and I put it in this bag and I stored in my freezer. So if you have some cheese lying around, you can use any other cheese that you like. And we'll add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of mayo to this. Now there are 4 main ingredients to this sandwich, basically the mayo, the lemon juice, pepper, and the tuna. And of course, everything else is optional, so you may substitute those things for whatever you like, and you would still get a really good sandwich. So after this, I like to add a teaspoon or a tablespoon of mustard. I like a lot of mustard, so I usually add about a flat tablespoon. And now for my favorite seasoning in the whole wide world, the black pepper, and I like loads of it. So I'm gonna put some black pepper and squeeze some lemon juice on this. I'm using about half a lemon. You could use a full lemon if you like it a little more sour. And this actually helps to kill the smell of the tuna. If you have any fishy smell in the fish or any kind of other meat that you use, that'll help. I also had some avocado lying around, so I decided to add that to this. It gives it a really nice taste. And of course, our little baby coriander, which is always wrapped up in towel in a box in my fridge, and that keeps it really fresh for more than a week. So if you've not tried this trick, do give it a go. And I just give it a rough chop with my chicken scissors, and I don't want to be washing my cutting board. So once this is done, I'm gonna smash or mash everything up with my fork and then I'm going to be mixing it up, and I'm just gonna put it on my white bread. I'm using white bread today for this. I like white bread for sandwiches. If you have any other favorite bread, of course you may use it. You can also use French loaf for this sandwich. It comes out really nice, and if you sprinkle some cheese on it and bake it, it's really amazing. So today I'm just using some white bread. I'm showing you a really quick recipe, like if you have some friends popping over at home and with a short notice and you need to get something out. This is a real crowd pleaser, and the kids also love it, and so do the adults. Now how I like to serve it is there are 2 ways that you can serve it. You can cut it up into halves and have it if you're having it like a meal or a snack. But if you have some friends over for tea time, of course we like to have some finger sandwiches or some delicate looking sandwiches. And I usually like to cut those halves into another, quarter pieces like this, with the bottom part being put like this so that they can stand on their own. Don't worry, I'm not trying to be Marie Kondo of sandwiches, but this is my way that I like to do it because it looks really nice for presentation. Usually I use a long platter, and then I will put these in that, and I'll make 1 or 2 platters of that for friends and family. But as I'm in the midst of moving my home, I don't have my platters as I've already packed most of my stuff. So I'm just showing it to you on a large dinner plate. And this is how these sandwiches look. Now I just can't wait to eat them. I don't know about you, but I'm just waiting to try some. So I've got some chili sauce here. You can use ketchup. You can use any kind of chutneys or anything that you like. And this is absolutely delicious. It's very fresh and very nice. There is no smell of tuna. And if you're sensitive to that, please do try this with some lemon juice. If you don't have lemon or lime at home, you could substitute it for a little bit of vinegar. So here you can see the tuna half, the sandwich, and also the quarters, how they look. And they look really appetizing, and you can serve them for your tea parties next time. Do give it a go. And if you make these, don't forget to share with me on Instagram. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. Hope to see you guys soon. Take care. Bye bye.